Okay, so this is just about two simple Vim mappings. So we have a small script, and we want to debug what's in the data hash. And if we call that with -m data dumper, we get this $var1. We don't have the variable name, we don't have the file name or the line. And I think it was around 2004 or 5 when we had a production rollout at work. And shortly after, a system administrator was coming to the developer's office and said, hey, our logs are running full and soon we won't have any disk space anymore. So we had to find someone had forgotten this debugging statement, and it was not easy to find it. Just grabbing for dumper, yeah, wasn't really easy. So I want the package name and the line number and the variable name. And so how does this look like? So here we have the package and line and data. And so this is already much better. But of course, there are some problems. So the keys are not sorted. Keys are random. So you have to set data dumper sort keys, and also it's a lot to type, right? But I can actually do this. I type the variable name and \dd, and there it is. So that's a simple Vim mapping. And it also works for scalars. So here we have the multi-line string. And so that's the multi-line string with trailing spaces, as you can actually see here, hopefully. But I don't see the trailing spaces. Now we have string with tabs, and I don't really see the tabs. So I want something new, and some of you know that I like YAML. So let's try this. So let's begin with the multi-line string, and I type \y, and I get this. Now you can see the package, the line number, the variable name, and a YAML document, and it marks the lines with trailing spaces. And if you have caps or control characters in it, then it automatically uses double quotes, and you can see the tabs. And if we dump the hash, I think the blue might be very dark, so I'm not sure if you can read it, but yeah, let's try. So here the keys are all sorted, and here we have an object and a regex, and also Perl code is dumped and highlighted. So yeah, the first mapping saved me already a lot of time when debugging. I really don't want to miss it, but sometimes highlighted code can actually be much more readable. And this, you can find this in a branch in this repository, in Perl my .files, and I wish you happy debugging. That's it. Thank you.